Okay, so let's take a look at how we could apply a random overlay to our print file. So basically, every time we run a session through the booth, we want it to have a different color on the print. So we could have a blue, green, yellow, or pink overlay, and we want that to happen randomly. So let's hop out of here, and we'll exit back out of the booth. And then we want to jump across to our asset folder, where we keep all our screens and print designs. So normally in Breeze, we would just have the one overlay file called overlay.png. But in this case, we now have 4 of them, each one a different color, and they've been named overlay_1 through to 4 accordingly. Then back in Breeze, if we go into our advanced settings, and then down to output, and if we come up to the background overlay file name suffix section, we'll see that I'm using a token here, random, 1, 4. Now basically what this is going to do is have Breeze return a random number between 1 and 4. And so when Breeze goes to print the photo, instead of just looking for overlay.png, now it's going to be looking for overlay_1, 2, 3, or 4, depending on which number it returns randomly. And so the result of that is that we essentially get a randomized print output. So if we jump back in here into our print layer or reprint gallery, we can see that it has done exactly that. Being random, you might get the same one 4 or 5 times in a row like we did here. Other times you might get a different color for every session. And so it just adds a more dynamic way of creating output, and it's particularly handy if you had, say, a brand that had multiple colors that they're wanting to use. This trick is a good one, and it also works on GIF overlays, video overlays, green screen images, and AI backgrounds as well.